know how to add element through this menu directly, the right-click menu, or is from the drop and drag and drop. And nowadays we see is how you can add specialized elements. So these specialized elements, we just mentioned model tree related things. Is if you come to our mind map, is you may see here I have the numbering. So in the section 16 is we will explain the specialization manager in more detail. I don't want to put too much the specialized the element here, but if you have already make some specialized elements, you can show that in the new right click menu. So what's that mean? So first of all is do not mix this specialized element with this specialization relation. So that is the different part is if you come to the tool, you have this specializations manager. That is for the relation of the elements that you want to make the specialized. Or you can see, let's imagine this from the ontology perspective is all those the base element are the class. Then this specialization manager is managed that you can extend that to certain your own customized, we call that is instance. So you can use that still, but they are not same as those vanilla part. For example, is if I drag our actor. So this is the basic or the standard business actor. I want to make create a specialized element. So I create this specialized manager. So far, within this my model in chapter 4 is I continue use that, although we are already in chapter 5. No worry. So my specialized manager is still empty. So I create a new. So you can see here you can change that by the different the types. But why is a business actor? So it's because I choose that. So if I highlight our resources and you come to here, new, is it's still the business actor. I think I was wrong. So starting from the business actor, I suppose that should be come to the different ways. So because if you want to make our resource specializations, it's fine. So good is I want to make our specialization of this business actor. So I should say here is my actor. So now the name is the restriction to this actor, and I can add some specialized image. So let me say I don't like is the very boring people. So I want to use this my those kind of smaller. So although this all is my logo, so I put that here. Then once you created that, is you can show this in this new the right click menu. So now it's you cannot see that from here, but not in the business part. But you can see it's in your this one, my actor. So you can drag and drop. So the replacement is this icon is your specialized icon. This name is your specialized name. So my actor replace business actor. My icon replace this icon, but this is type. It's still business actor. You can see. So this is one way you can make creation. So and you can also see that from new in the bottom. But if you come to the strategy, because your specialized element is our business layer element, is not in the strategy or any other layers element list. So you can also put here is I create our new specialized this element is my actor 2. So you can drag that to here. Then that is the two different element with your specialized these icons. But That is the two-way you can use your specialized element to enable your quick add those ones. So this is by default is enabled by preference. If you go to general, you can see this one, show specialization in new menu. If I say apply this one, so you may see here doesn't have that new menu, but specialized element is still in the palette. So either way, I suggest is you don't change this so that is you can still enjoy this convenience, show specialization in new value. But this one is not the same to this specialization relation. You can define this specialization relation from this one to this one, but you can also define this two certain. Let me see. So if I want to see, so those are not specialized. It's within the same the type is you can have the specialized. So, but you can also specialize my actor 2 from my actor. So that is not means specialized element can only be the child of the specialization relation. So I hope is I'm not give you the too much misleading statement. But what we will going to discuss about the specialization elements is let's wait on the section 16. Within this video is you just know if you have some specialized element or if you got a model that somebody else already create some specialized element is you can use that add them into your view. So we start is we finish this 007. Next one is we will move to 5.3 folder and organization. So there will also is we see is how to use the subfolder. So user subfolder. So see you then. Bye for now.